Hi everyone, it's a pleasure. I'm Thierry Barbe and I want to talk to you about the double bass concerto number 2 from Bottesini, who is, we don't know exactly the date he was written, but this concerto was probably from contemporary from Schumann cello concerto or Mendelssohn violin concerto, because they are around 1850. So romantic background, of course. So technically, what does it mean? It means that you have a left hand with a nice vibrato, So you have to practice your vibrato. About left hand, of course, you have something, you can practice a scale. So in A minor harmonic style, this means 1/3, minor third, and then 2/2. Okay, 1/4, 1/3. That's why I will do this fingering in the beginning. And about the bow, you have some nice on the string playing. So you have German or French bow. You have to be really convinced, and Italian style, to play really on the string. Okay, so you have also marcato or martelé, like this. So you have to practice with the German bow. Okay, so you have the pronation. If we do this or this or this, it's the same principle. So you have to practice your pronation from the stick to be really precise and regular, of course. And also, of course, you have the spiccato. The same with. So you have to practice your spiccato as well. Okay. Okay. Now let's begin a little bit in some details about this concerto. I like to play the original, of course, and usually we play like this. But there is some dots, and maybe we can change and do that. Or some people are playing a bow to be at the right place to make some spiccato about these two notes. It's a problem. Or you want to do it, or you don't want. It's up to you. Then we have in the bass structure, harmonic bass, you have this. And the theme is So you have the 5th degree, the beginning of the melody, and then the 1st degree, which is not unimportant. That's why I give a little importance about these notes, A, because it's one very important step, and to go to and to reach the appoggiatura of A, which is also the 1st degree of the scale. So I like to do not like this, because we miss the first A. For me, it gives me more interest on this melody. Okay, you understand? So it will be din pam pim ba da. This is the kind of skeleton about this melody. So then we go to A 7th to go to D minor. and so the D was the fourth degree, and then we come back to A minor. Okay, so this is very nice 4 bars. So in this sense, the theme is very classically composed, and I think this piece is really great, well orchestrated, well composed, with a very logical and also musical sense, of course. So now we go to and this is the famous Napolitan 6. This is very and so we come back to the beginning of the theme. So this B flat is very important. So I do it again. And here at the end of this bar, this is a Napolitan, also the Napolitan 6. So that's why I like to make value about this last beat. Okay, so I do again with the dots now. Piano. So here we have a second orientation in C major, which is the relative. So we are in and we come back so now we are in C major. Okay.